Okay, now the car is running and I have the check engine light on and the DSC with the new control module that we wrote the ISN on it, and using ISTA and ICOM I have these fault codes. That's why we have the check engine light on, oxygen sensor, and here we have these fault codes that showing us the DSC error. It says SZL coding data error. If I go to service functions, chassis, steering angle sensor, display, I think it will not accept the adjustment because we need the coding first, but I will try to see what will we get. Yes, and continue. The steering wheel is on the center position. Next, rise, continue. Steering angle sensor can't be adjusted. Perform troubleshooting on SZL, continue. Okay, now I will close ISTA software. Then I will need to perform coding, but I'm not sure if I should code the engine control module which we replaced earlier or the SZL. But now I will go to NCS Expert, File, Load Profile, Default, OK, VIN, SZS, E60, OK, CAS, OK, then back, process ECU, look for SZL, OK, SG coderen, then execute job, coding active, coding ended. Still have everything as it. Now I will stop the car, turn the ignition off completely, reserve, release, minimize, and open ISTA software again. Push brake and start the car. You see? No, it came back again. Operations, read out vehicle data, complete identification. But I will have a look with ISTA software because we may only need to adjust the steering angle sensor and get out. I'm sorry. I will see if I can erase the fault code of coding data on SZL or not. I'm still having everything here. If not, maybe I will need to code the engine ECU. have 9 fault codes, then display fault memory, and as you see here, the existence of SZL coding data error has gone, and now I only have steering angle sensor not adjusted. So if I go to delete fault memory, see that this car is having a proximity key. As you see here, the car is running without the key inserted on the slot. Now ISTA software will ask me to turn the ignition off, and maybe also take that key out of the car completely. Don't know why it take that too much time, but switch off the ignition and remove the key from the remote control. Okay. Wait for changeover. Okay, we'll insert it now and start the car. Now it is deleting fault memory, and also I still have the DSC light on. Four fault codes. Maybe the only remaining codes will be related to the adjustment of the steering angle sensor. Okay. Now I can go, I think, with calculate test plan, but I will go on surface functions, chases, steering angle sensor, adjustment, that one, display, programming, placement. Okay. Now I will make sure that the steering wheel is on the exact straight position. Okay. Continue. Should the steering angle adjusted? Yes, continue. Okay. Tension must be visual, otherwise can lead. Continue. Information is not installed. Then continue. Turn the ignition off with approximately 10 seconds, switch it on again. Okay. I turn it off, the ignition completely, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I will insert the key, switch the ignition on. Okay, and click on continue. Check the attachment of the angle was successful. Visually align the steering wheel in the position. Give value. Now I will continue. Does the split angle sensor? Yes. And continue. Now, after coding the SZL, the adjustment of steering angle sensor was correctly performed. if applicable, initialize run flat indicator. Okay, continue. Now I should press brake, start the car, and the DSC error shouldn't come back again. I will wait a couple of seconds, as the previous time I had it after running the engine for some time. Now I will go back to vehicle information. As you see, I have nothing here. Then I will run a vehicle test again. I think now everything will be okay, because I think we are not having fault codes on DSC or SZL. Vehicle test finished. Fault memory 3, display fault memory, oxygen sensor, telephone, AUC sensor. Now that's it. After running the car for some time, we are not having the DSC error anymore, and also there. So now everything will be okay. I'm not sure if the customer has that error before replacing the DME or not, as the car, this car came to me without being able to start the car to see if I have the DSC error or not. But anyway, now I already done everything for him, starting the car and coding the SZL, not to get that error here. And now everything I think will be okay, but I will tell him that he needs to replace that oxygen sensor. Okay, now I'll stop the engine, start the car back again, and wait for a couple of seconds. I think everything okay, and we only need to replace that oxygen sensor. Okay, thanks for watching.